What is this? Let's find out. Hi, this is Rainah Escat and this is my Sci-Bilib experiment number 4, Electromagnet. Here are the materials. 2 or 3 inches large iron nail, 1.5 feet copper wire, 2 pieces of AA battery, and some paper clips or other small magnetic object. Procedure: wrap the copper wire onto the nail. Leave at least 2 inches on both ends of the copper wire. Attach each end of the copper wire onto the both sides of the battery. Put the point of the nail near a few paper clips. Now we have an electromagnet. So what's the difference between a magnet and electromagnet? A magnet is an item or substance that generates a magnetic field. In simple words, a magnet is a rock or a piece of metal that can pull certain types of metal toward itself, while an electromagnet is a magnet that consists of a paper of iron or steel surrounded by a coil. Electromagnets are made by wrapping a wire around an iron nail and passing current through it. A magnetic field is formed around the nail by the electric field in the wire coil. In conclusion, electromagnets are magnets whose magnetic field is generated by a current flow. A magnet is an item or substance that generates a magnetic field. The magnetic field is the zone wherein the force of magnetism works around the magnetic substance or a circulating electric charge. Once again, this is Rainah Escat. Thank you for watching!